Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get candy corn to purchase items from the Halloween market. The Halloween market is not going to always be there, but basically you're just going to get plants and you're going to submit it to the witch. You can kind of ask, why are you here, and stuff like that. I think it said like if you give it like tree plants or something, or wood plants, I forgot. It's going to get you more points, but you're just going to submit your plants. I just submit everything. Then you can use your candy corn to purchase the stuff here. There's pets that you can purchase, some seeds, some decoration, as you can see. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can get the candy corn to purchase items here. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.